Did you know that only 1 out of 10 choices we make are actually driven by conscious motivations? It's time to take back control of your life. In this video, I dive deep into the art of conscious living. Join me on the ride. Intentionality and purpose have the transformative power to turn dreams into reality, illuminating the path to a life of fulfillment and meaning. I will provide you actionable steps on how you can live a fulfilled life in the digital age. In today's age, the internet has become a two-sided sword. It's your choice to either use this great technology to your advantage or to be consumed by it every day. Answer me this question. Would you rather stare at your 7-inch smartphone screen for 8 hours every day, or make meaningful changes that lead to a self-fulfilled life? The connectivity that came alongside with the internet has definitely revolutionized the way we live, connecting us to a world of limitless knowledge, endless possibilities, and unprecedented global reach, all within your pocket. In the digital age, we are presented with a two-edged sword. A wealth of opportunities at the edge of our fingertips waiting to be seized, alongside an array of distractions that can easily distract us from our course. It is more important than ever to live a conscious life, a life in which you decide your action, a life in which not other giant tech companies decide what you do each day. For example, having the scrolling habit of opening those apps and scrolling mindlessly around for a few hours each day. Picture yourself. You can either waste several hours each day scrolling mindlessly on your smartphone screen, or you can take your life into your own hand and make something out of it that in 5 years, when you look back, will be proud on it. It's your decision every day how you use your given time. That's the place where conscious living comes in. Conscious living is a deliberate and mindful approach of our life, where we become aware of our thoughts, actions, and choices. It is a transformative shift each and every one can make to live a life that is more fulfilling. It is a transformative shift that allows us to break free from autopilot mode. Living a conscious life, living in the present and be aware of your surroundings, you live a life with deeper connections and meaning. Living in the present moment has much benefits to your daily life. You build a deeper self-awareness of your surroundings and a stronger connection with yourself. Living with direction brings intention, clarity, and fulfillment to our lives. It lights a fire in us, a fire which motivates us to realize our goals and to do what we actually want. It empowers us to live a life with the values we actually want to represent. And last but not least, leading to greater joy, fulfillment, and a lasting impact on the world around us. Living consciously empowers us to create a meaningful life with purpose and intentionality. So you might ask yourself how you can live a conscious life in the present. And in this section of the video, I want to give you several strategies and tips that you can implement right now, like a plug-and-play system to live a life full of joy and fulfillment. The first thing you need to do is cultivate self-awareness. Self-reflection and questioning your actions is the first step to being more self-aware. By taking a deep dive into your thoughts, motivations, and intentions, you discover lots of possibilities where to improve on and what to do. You gain valuable insights into your drive, the reason why you stand up every morning, the reason why you keep going, because it's nothing but that. By questioning yourself, you unravel layers of your inner world. You dive deep into your own thoughts to discover your motivation, your drive to stand up every morning and create. You need to be self-aware to discover the patterns that shape your life daily. There are numerous exercises and tasks you can do to cultivate more self-awareness. Journaling, meditation, and mindfulness are 3 given examples to cultivate self-awareness. If you want to take effective notes, journal every day, and cultivate self-awareness, you can find my Notion templates in the description of this video, in which I share you in-depth guides and templates on how you can become self-aware. You need to seek for feedback from your trusted individuals. You need to ask others how they are aware of your actions and motivations, so you can get a current steady feedback loop on how you perform, how you cultivate self-awareness, and how others are influenced by it. One great exercise I've got from a Skillshare course of Nathaniel Drew is to monthly make a presence edit. It's based on the motto of Carpe Diem, make or live every day of yours as if it was the last. Try this for 1 month and then stick to it. If you want to become more mindful and live in the present, you need to anchor yourself deep into your surroundings. That is easily made possible if you have a phone, or even better, an analog camera, or even better, when you have a video camera. You can take videos of your surroundings, of sounds you like, of conversations you have with others or randomly listen to. You can take short videos of emotions and moments you want to capture forever. Then create a reminder in your calendar which is reminding you on a monthly basis to make a presence edit about all of these captures of the last month. Repeating this cycle, you can look back on presence edits. That allows you to be more mindful, and actually you're able to rediscover your emotions, feelings and conversations you may have already forgotten otherwise. The next thing you need to implement is to set clear goals and intentions. Your motivations are worthless if you don't have a clear goal you're following or chasing. A goal is kind of a roadmap for your life. It gives you a destination and a journey you can live. And most of the time, the journey provides more value than the destination itself. You'll learn more along the way than when you reach your goal, because when you reach your goal, you've already learned all the lessons the journey had to teach you. By articulating your desired outcomes, you set yourself on a path of success. The actionable tip you can do here is to create a vision board. Similar to Pinterest, you can create a vision board. This is possible in softwares like Miro or Notion, or even better, the analog variant in like a wall where you pin your ideas, texts and images you find inspiring and you can identify with. Continue to build up your inspiration wall and you can look back on a vision board. Now try to make a roadmap from goals and standpoints you want to reach. Clear intentions serve as guiding stars that lead us towards the life we truly desire. The next important factor to living a more conscious life is to embrace skill acquisition. There is nothing more important than when you are on your way, on the journey, reaching your goals which you set in the last chapter, then learning new skills. You can build up your own portfolio of skills and knowledge which no one can take from you. New skills broaden your horizon and expand your knowledge. Continuous learning and skill acquisition opens doors to new opportunities and personal growth. And the most important factor of all the 4 I will mention in this video is to build meaningful relationships with others. It's important for you to surround yourself with like-minded individuals on your journey, because like-minded individuals share your values and can exactly help you and mentor you on your way to success. Because, for example, a YouTuber with 1 million subscribers can give you different advice on uploading your first video than your mom can. Meaningful relationships provide support, inspiration and a sense of belonging on our journey of conscious living. Leverage software and online tools in the digital age to help you be more productive and have a more fulfilling life. Mindful use of digital tools can enhance our personal growth and amplify our impact on others. In this video, we explore the transformative journey on conscious living. It's not about living a surface-level life with lots of distractions. I encourage you to embark on your own journey of conscious-level living. Embrace self-reflection. Define your intentions. Pursue continuous learning. Nurture meaningful connections. Take decisive actions and utilize digital tools mindfully. Now it's your turn. Share your tips and experiences on conscious living in the comments below so that others can learn from you. Thank you very much for watching my first video in the English language. If you could appreciate the value given in this video, I would very much appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. If you want to take part in the conversation, then please leave a comment down below. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and check my other social media accounts via the links in the description. See you next time.